you should get them all.
No!
You have nothing. They got.
I need keys.
Ash, you should turn right here.
Yeah, absolutely.
you
Just go
should.
right. I think
Yeah.
the treasure's in the right.
Oh wow. Oh yeah. Okay.
Oh,
Yeah, put me in last
69.
place. Do it.
69.
You can't get any more. Since you have 69, you can't get any more.
All right, what are you gonna roll?
Ran
8.
away
That's
with a
nice.
key.
Good one. Good.
That's like
You're
a
still gonna
consolation.
lose,
Good
but-
job.
but-
That's what I'm saying. It's like consolation. She's like, oh, good job, like a mommy to her 3-year-old. Good job. You're doing so good. So proud of you. You sound
Did I
like
just
shit
get
with that
those?
oboe.
How did I just get those ones?
Okay, wait. I have a
Yep.
huge. Hold on. Okay, I got the
Ash.
hiccups.
100
I have the
keys.
I have the hiccups. So you have to. One of you
Oh,
have to
no.
scare me over the next 10
Okay.
minutes. Okay, just do it randomly. Okay, we gotta get rid of this.
That's very scary. That just sounds like you are just trying to, I don't know,
I'm trying to beat Phasma.
see if you have bad breath. I don't know what's going on.
Dang. No. Oh.
Jumping in between.
Did that not get you?
This
Oh,
does
it
not
didn't
look
get
good.
you.
This does not
Oh,
look
Lord.
good.
Oh, Jesus.
This looks like hard Mario.
Fun.
Yeah, it does.
Oh no.
Jump. Oh, there's double jump.
Wait.
Can I just
yeah,
get pity keys? Because there's no way I'm getting keys from this.
Lemmy,
Okay.
I was reading. I'm sorry.
read faster.
I'm sorry.
Oh,
we-
Oh.
I already
Oh,
died.
okay.
I literally already
Wait,
died.
what?
How do you? Oh, you really got a double jump. Oh, wow.
Double jump.
Oh, it's a double
I
jump?
died. I got.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Glad the
the-
instructions
Oh,
are clear.
I'm dead.
But how?
I'm already dead.
Wait.
Yeah, I'm dead.
How did a ghost die? I died twice.
I'm gone.
I'm
yeah.
gone.
Yeah, I died.
How?
Die. What?
It's a
Literally
controller.
last place.
It's a controller. It's a controller.
Did not
It's
know that
fine,
the double
guys.
jumping
God,
was
It's just a
there.
controller.
Alright. Alright, I'm done.
Oh no.
Y'all hate me. Pepe hands.
I think there's
No,
only
I don't
one
have
thing
a
in the
single
game.
thing in my inventory. You got like 15 presents, 12 rockets, and
Oh
82
no, come
shotguns.
on, game.
We're targeting Ollie now?
What is that?
No, we're not targeting me. What
Wait,
the?
what happened? What just happened?
I basically
You
just skipped my turn.
How did you skip your
You're-
turn?
You're
The president was
silly.
like, nah, you suck.
Oh,
Oh.
damn. That sucks.
Okay, wait.
Lol.
Oh, Frivvy
Let's see.
card.
Targeted by the presents.
Jesus.
How do I use
Yep.
this? I want to.
I knew it.
You're
also
so
saves me, I
close.
I assume that also saves me.
That's not
Wait,
fair.
who's this?
Oh my
Yeah.
god,
It's
me!
Jess.
Is that Jess?
Yeah, that
Yeah.
is.
Yeah, Jess.
No. It's
I kind of want to do it to Jess, but I feel like it's not the right time. It's not the right time. I might spare you. I might spare you.
She's coming for me.
spare me.
Oops.
Wait, why did you?
Oops.
Oh,
Oops.
Why did you?
Dang it!
Thanks for
I just wasted it. Dang it!
Life's a
Frivvy
bitch,
choosing the
hon, and
pacifist
then you
path.
die.
Oh my god.
Dang it, man.
Take 2 more steps. Go to your death. Go on.
I
go,
don't want to
go.
go to my. I don't want to do
You
that.
do
I
it.
still have the
You could
hiccups.
go the other
Who's
way
gonna scare
If
me?
you wanted to.
I think wait, if you breathe in through your mouth a little bit and then swallow and just keep doing that until you can't breathe anymore, I think that's
Until
how
I
you
can't
can
breathe
control it.
You
anymore.
can't breathe anymore.
And then you just hold it until you can't hold your breath anymore.
Swallowing is key.
Like
All right. Yes.
I was serious.
I have an issue with swallowing. Like, okay, that sounds
Okay.
wrong. That sounds right.
Okay. Yeah.
There you
Okay,
go.
no, okay. I'm that
Sorry,
person.
Tyler.
I'm that person that when they're taking pills, I have to like,
Uh-huh.
I have to sit there for like
Uh-huh.
a minute and a half to wait for the proper time for me to swallow.
Ow.
Otherwise, it goes out my nose and I spit it out.
Your nose, the pill?
Yes.
You're,
I know.
No, like
Okay.
the liquid. The liquid.
Oh.
you're like the people
Oh.
that come into my vitamin shop and they're
Whenever-
like, "Do you have a gummy multivitamin?" I'm like, "What are you, 3? Take a freaking pill.
That's me. That's me.
I need a gummy. You need to grow up is what you need to do."
I love gummy vitamins.
Yes.
They're the best.
Thank
Those
you.
aren't real vitamins.
They're all filled with sugar. And
Yeah, I
shit.
know. They're more sugar than vitamin, but still.
Got my vitamin zinc.
For that, just eat an orange.
they won't go away.
What do I have?
I'm straight up
Oh my
not
Press
God.
your
with you.
fingers on your above your eyebrows.
What?
What?
That's what I do to get rid of my
What?
hiccups.
You,
I've never heard
what
of
do you
that
do?
one.
I've
I
never
press
heard of
my
that one,
fingers right above the arches of my eyebrows and I hold them there for like 10, 15 seconds.
That was very
Is
You
this
have to push
effective?
hard.
Or is
It
it just
doesn't
something you
work.
do?
I don't know if it's all mental, but it has worked 9 times out of 10.
Who are you aiming out there?
I don't actually know. I don't actually know.
Pull.
Oh, can
Yeah,
I
I'm
aim
with
at anyone?
Push hard.
Oh, that is.
I'm
Wait,
pushing
am
hard.
You can shoot across the map. You just have to be able to aim, which is
Oh,
not
how
Skill
do I?
shot.
How do
try it.
I?
Isn't
Oh.
it up the map?
I still
Can
have
I-
the
can I
hiccups,
really
Jess.
shoot anyone?
I'm sorry.
Can I shoot anyone? Oh my god.
Oh, hey.
How do
So
I?
Ashby's right in front of you.
You know where I heard this
Ram.
trick from
Match.
though?
Ashby and Ram are right in front of you. Ram also
Oh,
has a
no.
100
Go above the
pace.
arch of
No.
your
I'm in 8th
No.
place. What am I gonna do to you? What
Oh, I
kind
could
of a
just
threat
shoot
am
behind
I?
me. I could just shoot behind.
Doing
me.
it in the wrong
Yeah.
area. Yeah, there you go.
Yeah, just shoot
Okay.
behind.
Did it work?
Just shoot that shotgun behind. Make sure people don't catch up. Jeez.
Oh,
Oh.
His body just came up to the
Yep.
Oh, I deserved it.
Why? Why?
At least you guys get keys. You're welcome.
Okay, wait. Somebody said hold water in your mouth, bend over,
my
and swing
God.
your arms.
What is this?
what is all of this?
People just want you to do stupid things.
Yeah, I think so. Are you trying it?
Yep, she is.
Wait, what?
Oh,
Oh
my
my
god. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god.
That's an
You're
elite
doing
athlete
great,
right
Freddie.
there.
Definitely, yep.
That's elite athlete stuff,
You're doing
guys.
good.
Did it
You're
work?
doing good.
Guys, you gotta play varsity basketball to pull that move off. Was that your best, Lauren? Was that your
Elite
best? I don't think
athlete
that was
right
your
there.
best.
Elite athlete.
We gotta try again.
Get the belt. That
I
wasn't
still
your best.
have them.
Oh.
Oh my god.
Damn.
Oh.
Dang it!
So get the belt.
You know what gets rid of hiccups? Chew your toenails. You won't chew them on stream.
You actually have to be careful with showing your feet on stream because they consider
Oh.
it sexual content.
Really?
How
Are
I
you
what?
kidding?
What?
Really?
Guys,
Yeah.
that is I hate feet so much. I have a
I
fetish
do
to
too.
not see your feet ever.
Hey,
Put some
me,
socks
I don't
on in the
ever-
house. Put your
I
shoes
actually
on.
have a phobia of feet. If I could
Really?
cut them off, I
I
would.
hate feet.
Oh my gosh.
Yes, fireside
Right.
chats. Yes, feet suck. I don't even look at my own. I don't even look at my own. They're disgusting as shit.
Dodge
Like, I don't
balls.
want
They
to
are,
touch them.
they're so gross.
Touch the
Oh,
cannon? Oh, all of
Oh.
these games are just
I'm
dodging.
very good at this.
Yeah, it's just
I'm
dodging.
okay.
Doesn't have a
I'm
dodge.
really
This
good
is
at
just-
dodging.
All of them are
Yeah,
just
just move,
dodging.
Well, I might as well go for broke. I'm in 8th place. What can I do?
I'm so sorry.
I need some margaritas.
I still have
Oh,
the hiccups.
you know, hey, you remember how I said I'm really good at dodging?
Yeah, no, that's okay.
Ooh, that came close.
Literally die first. Cool. It's fine.
Oh no.
Well, this ain't bad.
Can you guys, like, get away from me?
Stop hugging me! I don't want to hold your hand.
Like, social
Guys,
distancing,
just stand,
bro.
just
6
stand
feet.
where Ram is. Just stand where
Nobody
Ram
is wearing.
died!
No.
Oh, God. Oh, no!
Oh wow.
I
Oh,
died
oh,
and I
no.
still have the
No.
hiccups.
is. Holly
Oh, wow.
won again. Holly's cheating.
I'm just the best. I'm
Hack.
just the best.
Hack.
Controller.
I have the best number of
Hey,
keys.
Ash, you got 96 keys.
Yeah,
I
get
have-
that
He's getting
rocket.
aim assist.
You got that
yes.
rocket, girl.
Aim assist.
I have the best number
Controller
of keys.
assist.
Though. No one can beat it.
Well, you and Ash, actually.
What about us?
Ash is like Ash is backwards though.
I
I
am
am
swallowing
backwards.
4
Hey,
different
you
times
know.
and they're not going away.
Are you trying to swallow your
Yes, everyone's like, hold your breath and swallow. And I'm like,
It is.
I'm
Okay,
doing it.
You
my
Hold
ex-
it. Yeah,
you
hold it for like a
inhale-
second.
Oh.
You
Big
inhale with your mouth
ooze.
just a little bit and then you swallow. And you keep doing it until you can't take any more air in. And then you hold it for a little bit. And then when you can't hold your breath anymore, then you exhale very like slowly.
I think you should combine all of this advice. So you should do that while
And
folding
swing
your
your
hands
arms
above
upside
your
down,
elbow,
too.
above
And
your
pressing the
eyebrows, and swing it around.
top of my eyebrow.
Yeah.
Oh, yes.
Oh my God, Lauren. Lauren,
What?
you've got to see the picture of the Jubilee thing on Glow's Twitter. You should see your face on it. Oh, this is priceless.
What am I doing?
Oh, just being Lauren.
My face just does that. Okay.
It's priceless.
Dang it.
I don't wanna.
My favorite is the blooper image you posted.
What?
The one you posted it, I think, a few days ago or a week ago. It's like a blooper image.
Mm-hmm.
Sure, from when you were recording.
Did I?
It's just like the weirdest scrunched up face.
What do you mean? Where?
You see if I can find it.
She's
Oh,
like, what?
ouch.
I love that song.
Oh my God, I have 1 health.
Oh, the one I said,
Oh,
let's get this
no.
party
I
started.
don't have any items. Y'all are safe.
No.
I don't know what you're talking about, Ram. I am so sick of these hiccups!
Sora, they're making me want to do it.
Oh, this game is... What? I have to start over all over again?
Yeah, when you get
Yeah.
a dead end. That's what
I found it. You're saying me trying out a new trigger for stream. Then did I like it or hate it?
Oh, yeah, that one. By the way, I hated it. I hated it. Everybody thought that I liked it. I hated it. It was the worst.
What trigger was it?
It was like this weird, like, toilet brush that was, like, with
Oh,
foam
yeah.
little sprinkles.
Oh.
And I was like, oh, this might make good sounds. I tried it, and it was the worst. It was
I
A
don't
toilet-
like the thought of a toilet brush.
Please
in-
tell me it was not used. Please tell me it was not used.
No! What is wrong with you?
I mean,
I don't
know.
wash my
It is not-
hands. You
no.
think I clean my toilets? What? Please.
Oh my God.
That's even worse.
Fair point.
Oh my God! If you hire me, I
Fair.
will come clean your
Let me
toilet.
try taking 300 for
I'll even wear a little maid outfit to make busted.
Oh my
more.
God.
Whose turn is it?
It's my turn. I'm gonna be a cactus.
Oh my
That's
gosh.
smart.
That's
It's
a
so
good
cute.
idea. It is. It's so cute. I love it.
It's
Boink,
not
So
boink,
cute.
cute.
boink,
I
boink,
love
boink,
it.
boink.
And there.
Friv?
Oh.
Get it.
Well, it didn't really do much.
Don't stop. Get it. Get it.
Is that from
It's from something. I don't know.
what is it? It's I can see the music video. And like the guitar in the beginning. The gorillas?
Oh, no.
I'm
Ow.
pretty sure it's from the gorillas.
Ow.
Ow. I
Oof.
think so. Yeah.
Oh no, this is.
Oh.
I hate this
What
one!
is this?
Can't
Please,
Jesus.
I'm
Drop it in
asking
game.
you guys, please don't go after me just because I'm bad.
Wait, I have to use
If you
WSD
grab the
and
mute,
arrow
I'm bad.
keys?
Yeah.
See
Yes,
a
there's
one
out
tail.
Yeah,
It's
arrow
arrow.
keys.
If you
Oh,
see
no.
a
1000% this is going to be controller
loops
win.
in the background.
Oh, this
No,
is
it's not. I am
She's
horrible.
She's
at that.
Absolutely
drive.
a controller win.
Oh my
I am
God,
horrible at
arrows.
this.
No,
I don't know what
no,
arrow
no,
keys
it's
are.
not. It's not.
Oh my god,
not.
it's inverted. It's inverted. Oh my god. Okay.
I died immediately.
Already?
Yes.
Oh. No, no.
This is so.
Shooting at
I
me.
can't.
No,
My brain
oh,
can't
no,
handle
it
this.
is.
No,
Oh,
no.
I
Why
know my
did you
tricks.
kill me? No, I didn't appreciate
No,
that.
no, no.
Ow, don't
Wow.
shoot at me.
Spawn.
I don't know what
you
I'm
You guys are
doing.
toxic.
Damn, what the hell?
I accidentally died myself.
Ow,
Did
no,
I
wait,
actually get
stop.
one? I
No,
got
no,
one. Holy
stop.
shit.
No, stop. No, stop. No.
Oh.
No.
I got
Thanks a
shot
lot.
at it.
Please.
I got killed.
No!
Whoa.
Where I'm just spamming and
This
hoping
is
for the
overly
best.
sensitive.
It kind of
It's
is.
Oh, okay.
ridiculous.
I'm dead.
I like,
I can-
you have to
I
like
can
barely
do this.
touch it.
Oh, I'm back.
Oh,
Oh, I don't like the inverted combat. Or
yeah, I
kills.
don't like
I know,
it
it's the
either.
worst.
Yeah, this is
I
bad.
lost. Oh, I lost
Bad.
because I died. Wow.
Hey, I got one.
No,
No,
that was
please.
me. Yeah.
Don't do it.
At least you could just hold spacebar and call it a day.
What is spacebar?
Ow!
do?
Who's shooting
It
me?
shoots.
What?
It shoots.
I'm
Wait,
so
you
bad
haven't
at
been
this game.
shooting?
Have you
Oh
not
my
been
God.
shooting?
Holy crap, I got second! Oh my god, I'm so proud of
No,
myself.
no, don't.
I'm proud of
Shoot
you.
at me. Don't
I
be
did it.
shooting
Proud.
at me.
I'm so proud of you.
I deserve like a high five.
Oh my god. High five.
I hate this game.
I felt
I
that
really
in
do.
my soul.
Why is there a present? I'm like, okay. Oh man.
Yeah, why can't I get like one of those like vortex thingies and swap out with one of y'all?
Should
I
use
don't
a
think I could play a
rocket?
second game now. Oh my
I feel
god.
like I should use a rocket.
That
Oh, I'm
is
definitely not
toxic.
playing a second game.
I think I should.
God, this
Yeah.
is long.
I don't think you
I
should.
have-
That is rude.
No,
Don't do that.
I think I should.
Hello, Quiet. How you doing?
Here we go.
Fine.
Hi, Louie. Hi, Carlos.
Wait, wait.
Woo!
Oh, thank
Mhm.
God. Okay, I'm still dead.
All right.
Gosh, I can't believe we're
Thank
still
God I
going after
died.
the second
Coming
gauntlet.
for you, Lumi.
Oh no, you don't have to do that. Actually,
Think you're so cute with your high-pitched voice.
Oh my god.
Oh.
Oh,
So close.
jeez.
Don't
Well, let's
stop.
just
Oh,
go
I
and get it
thought
over with.
songs
There we
stuck
I
go.
in
felt
my
that
head
in my
now.
soul. God.
I'm coming for it.
Ooh.
night,
It's
Adam.
mine.
What?
It's mine.
I'm scared.
Bye, Adeline.
Type in chat for another 20,000 frokens. I know we're super dead tonight,
Bye,
but I
Adeline.
appreciate you guys.
Oh, bye.
Adeline.
Night.
Oh. I still have the hiccups, by the way, in case anybody was
Really?
wondering. Yep.
Oh,
my
Yep.
no.
God.
They will
It's-
not go away.
Phasmophobia should fix itself.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Paul Davis will come and haunt you. It's okay.
Oh my gosh.
I personally like the
Kid trying to
Thomas Go.
snipe across map.
Whoa, wait.
Just, playing some pool. Lining up the 8-ball.
Huh.
Okay. I'm gonna.
Do
I mean,
it.
I don't think I can even.
No,
I wouldn't
no,
be able
the
to kill
graveyard's in the way.
The graveyard's in the way.
All those presents we take to our family in the graveyard. Aren't there cultures that do that though? That like bring presents to like graveyards and stuff?
Probably.
Yeah, I think so.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yes.
I was watching a documentary. I can't remember what culture it was, and they like celebrated and like, yeah, they viewed death as like a beautiful thing. I was like,
Oh, is it my
that's pretty
turn?
cool.
Yeah.
Yeah.
My
Oh my
bad.
god.
My bad.